Hello everyone, today we will learn if function in Excel with the help of few examples. Let us look at these examples one by one. So first here we have employee ID, name and sales of that particular employee. So simply type equal to if open bracket then C2, that is the sales of Rohit, greater than equal to 13,000, that is our target, then comma, then type achieved in double inverted comma, then again comma and type not achieved in double inverted comma, and then simply close the bracket and press enter. So here as you can see that Rohit has achieved his target, and then simply copy and paste the formula in all the cells. So here you can see that most of the employees have achieved their target. So now let us do some conditional formatting in it. Simply select all the cells of target column, then go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules and then select equal to. Now type achieved in this cell. Now press OK. So here as you can see that the employees who have achieved their target are marked in red color. Now let's move on to our next example, that is if and AND function simultaneously. Here we have sales of 3 months, that is January, February and March. So here simply type equal to if open bracket and open bracket C2 greater than 11,000 comma D2 sales of February greater than 12,000 comma E2 greater than 13,000, that is the sales of February comma, type achieved in double inverted comma, then again comma and type not achieved in double inverted comma, then press enter, and then simply copy and paste the formula in all the cells to get your results. Now let's do some conditional formatting in it like we did previously. Simply select all the cells, that is your target column, and then go to conditional formatting, then select highlight cell rules, then equal to and type achieved here, and then simply press OK. Let us first understand this formula. Here we type AND, which means that the employee needs to satisfy all those 3 conditions which we have typed in our formula, that is he should achieve the target of greater than 11,000 in January, and greater than 12,000 in February, and greater than 13,000 in March. So he need to satisfy all those three conditions so that he will achieve his target. And value if true, it means that if that particular employee is able to achieve this target of 3 months, then he will get his target achieved. And value if false, it means that if any employee is unable to achieve the targets of 3 months, then his target will be not achieved. Even if he achieves his target of 2 months, then also his target is not achieved, because he need to satisfy all those three conditions. Now let's move on to our next example, that is if and or function simultaneously. So here we have the same data like we have in our if and example. Simply type equal to if, then open bracket, then type or, then again open bracket, then select C2 greater than 11,000, comma D2 greater than 12,000, comma E2 greater than 13,000. Then close the bracket, then comma, then type achieved in inverted commas and not achieved in inverted commas. Then press enter. Now let us quickly understand this. Here we have used OR formula, which means that if any of these three conditions is satisfied, then your answer will be achieved, then your target will be achieved. So here as you can see that every employee has achieved his target, because we have used OR function here. But in previous example we used AND function and some of the employee didn't achieve. So here it is our same example of if and AND function. Here we have type target 11,000, 12,000 and 13,000 in 11th row. Now we don't need to type it manually, we just need to select that particular cell of target. Let's do this quickly. Simply type the formula as we typed previously. And yeah, here you need to press F4 key for getting $sign in your targeted cell, because you want to freeze these cells. Then do the same process as we did previously. Now if I change my target in C11 cell, that is 12,000, then my answer will automatically change. The reason why I typed $symbol in targeted cells is this. Let's quickly understand it with this example. Simply type the if formula if and formula without any dollar symbol in between them, like this. Now as you can see that my result is achieved for all the employees, which is false because some of the employees didn't achieve their target. Hope you will like this video and thank you for watching.